Hello student, I am Dilip Gupta, your chemistry teachers. Today's I am going to be continue our topic, that is some basic concept of chemistry, in which our topic is running the empirical and molecular formula for percentage composition. Okay, there are some steps are given for calculating these rules. So number one point is calculate the relative number of each element, okay, by dividing its percentage mass by its atomic mass. Means the given percentage are divided by atomic mass will get the first number of the step. Okay, these are called the relative number. Okay, second number is the find the simplest atomic ratio by dividing each value obtained in step 1 by the smallest value. It means when you have divided by each percentage by its atomic mass, then the minimum value again divided by each of the resulting which you have got earlier in first step. Okay, now third is if the atomic ratio are not in whole number. In third step, if the atomic ratio are not in whole number, multiply each by a suitable number to convert the fraction to whole number. If the result will come out in a fraction, then you will change the whole number by multiplying the suitable number. So it must be convert into from fractional to whole number. Okay, now we are taking just example. Listen, it is a very important because it comes in exam. So look it here. The question is here, a compound has the composition sodium is equal to 29%, sulfur having 40.5% and oxygen having 30.5%. If the formula mass is 158, what is the formula unit of the compound? Okay, first of all you will write down the element. The element is having sodium, sulfur, oxygen. Okay, there are three elements present here and its composition are given: sodium 29%, sulfur 40.5%, oxygen 30.5%. Okay, now for calculating the first step, that is relative number of atom, you will divide it by each percentage by its atomic mass. So 29 divided by sodium having atomic mass is 23, so 20 by 23 is equal to 1.26. now sulfur having 40.5% and its atomic weight is 32, so 40.5 divided by 32 is equal to 1.26. and third one is oxygen having the percentile composition is 30.5% and divided by oxygen having atomic mass is 16, so 30.5 by 16 is equal to 1.90. now in three result you will choose which is the smallest number, so you get this is the 1.26 or 1.26. these are the smallest number in given three percentile composition of the element. Okay, so again you will divide by smallest number for each of the resulting which you get which you have already get in relative number. Okay, so 1.26 divided by smallest number 1.26, 1.26 divided by smallest number 1.26 and 1.90 is divided by the smallest number 1.26, you will get the 111.5. okay, so here the fraction value, if not fraction value does not matter, the you will multiply it for the simplest whole number ratio. Okay, only when the answer or result will come in fraction, then for changing the whole number you will multiply by suitable number. So if 1.5 is multiplied by 2, then it will get the 3 which are the suitable whole number. Okay, so if you multiply by 2 in this number, again you will divide by 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, sorry 1 multiplied by 2 and 1 multiplied by 2 and 1.5 multiplied by 2. So the answer will be 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3. These are the three numbers. After multiplying, you will get these numbers into whole simplest whole number ratio. Okay, now some information also given. So what is the information has to be given? The answer, for getting the answer, the empirical formula of the compound is Na2S2O3, having the molecular mass is equal to empirical formula is equal to 158. Okay, I think you have got the more information by solving this problem. So you can convert the empirical formula into molecular formula by applying this easily rule. Okay, thank you.